up and away!
House Hunter Moto. Tara, let's ride!
Okay, good morning mga ka-housemates. This is House Hunter Moto at your service. Okay, I'm riding because of work. Okay, on my previous vlog, remember I mentioned something that I was gonna close on a property that I sold. Today is the final walkthrough. So here in the States we call it the final walkthrough, because when you buy a house here, there's different processes, and the final before your closing is your final walkthrough. So I'm going there. Normally when I go to this walkthrough, I normally use my car, but today I'm gonna use my bike because, believe it or not, the weather is nice. So I'm gonna go there now, and then I'm do the walkthrough, and Monday we're gonna be closing. So just hang in there. I'm going now. Up and away! I'm not very familiar of the process in the Philippines. Kasi usually naman nung araw hindi uso ang mga loan sa Philippines. I mean, people buy it in cash and all the stuff, but I don't know about now. But yun ang process dito. So look for the house. If you like it, you send inspector. Inspector is gonna make a report, and then if you're happy about the report, or if you need something to be fixed, they'll fix it. And then after that, they go on mortgage application. And then if you're happy with the mortgage, or if you get approved, you gotta do a final walkthrough, and then closing. So basically that's the step, but there's a lot of stuff going on in between. So yun. My appointment is at 1 o'clock. Right now it's 12:52, so I guess we're good, because the property is not, it's I'm almost there. So yun lang ang ano natin. So my vlog really right now is my work. I'm working right now, so this is not my leisure. I just brought my bike para maiba naman, because this is a few days before winter that I can ride. Today is like 55 degrees. There's no sun, but it's tolerable the temperature. That's why I took advantage of it, because after this might be my last ride for the season before winter, because in the winter is December 21. It's already what, today is the 13th. So in next week it's officially winter. So usually winter ano na, freezing temperature na yan. So I don't think I will be able to ride on those freezing temp. Anyway, and siya nga pala, I want to shout out to the winner, Andrew Kaisip. Andrew Kaisip got the answer. He followed the blogs that I list, and he got the answer. The answer was Sir Naj Abdul and Boss Big Vlog. This is the vlog when I went to the Kawasaki Suzuki dealership, when I found the ZH2 there. The price of the ZH2 there was $17,000. It's a 2020 Kawasaki ZH2, and that's the video where I got my question, and Andrew got the answer. So congratulations to you, Andrew, and hope next time you guys just follow my blog, don't skip, because I'm gonna say stuff that you don't expect, and I'm gonna announce stuff that you don't expect. Parang sabi ko sa'yo, this is gonna be like a teleseries. It's a moto series. So it's a Pinoy moto series. para pasarapin naman natin. So guys, di mas mabuti yun. And saka pala, I just realized on my blog, sometimes I'm telling you my speed because I'm doing a speed test. When I say my speed, it's in miles, because you might think it's in kilometers. So it's in miles, because we are using miles here in the States. We're not using the kilometers. So basically, when I say 60 miles, that's 100 kilometers. So i-google nyo na lang. Pero kagaya ngayon, I'm in 45. So when I say 45, or now I'm on 50, but it means it's miles. Okay, just letting you guys know. Okay, so I'm almost there, and hopefully everything goes well in this final walkthrough, because sometimes pwede pa rin hindi matuloy ang deal sa final walkthrough. Why? Because sometimes ang mga tao hindi pa rin sila yung mga pinagawa hindi nila ginawa. So sometimes they don't agree with it. Kaya I hope everything goes well. So this is the house that we're gonna be checking. We're gonna do the final walkthrough. And I hope everything goes well. I just don't know if they let me vlog, or this is a huge house. Do you see that? That's a big house. I just want to make sure that they will let me video record. If not, then I have to stop it. Alright, so for now I'm gonna turn it off. I will talk to you later. See, I just have to talk to the seller or the owner. Okay, bye. But the inspector is already here. He's already doing his stuff, his checks, make sure all the stuff that on our list has been completed, or else problema tayo sa closing natin. So hopefully, I just want to keep my fingers crossed too na sana everything will be okay, para naman makakita na tayo ng ating commission. Alright, so this is actually the house. It's a very nice house. It's big, and these are the owner. Hey guys, so yeah, yun ang mga buyer. Pero nasa loob na si inspector. So okay, I'll talk to you later. Okay, okay mga ka-housemates, okay na, tapos ng inspection. Happy ang buyer, siyempre happy din ang seller. So ready na tong bahay na to. We're just gonna schedule the closing, and then after that, actually sa Monday pwede na silang mag-move in. So I've done my job. So ito yung bahay. It's a 3-car garage. And there, itong front niya, you know what that front is? That's a horse ranch, believe it or not. Yung may white, ito parang landscaping lang nila, pero that, I don't know if you can see it from here, the black fence are across the street, that's a horse ranch. So imagine waking up in the morning, this is what you're gonna see in the morning. See, kaya itong bahay na ito it's really a prime location. Malaki yan.
Ano mo? Mike?
Ito, Mike. Tama ka, hindi nakakabit. Dapat nga, ikabit ko yan.
Ano pinagkaya sa lumigyan sa
Hindi, may mic ako sa loob. Para pag nakamotor ka kasi, yung hangin, hindi mo makikinig yung boses mo. So may mic ako sa loob. Ito yung internal mic.
Magkano ganyan?
250 lang. 300 dito, pero nag-sale. Okay. Very good. Ito mga kaibigan, ang buyer ng bahay na ito, at kami magsasarado na. Okay ka lang na nasa video kayo, na vlog?
Ayusin mo na yung accent to. Accent mo na talagang Pilipino accent. Ay,
Ha?
wag mo ako ilagay dyan po.
Sige, okay. Aalis na po kami at magko-close na po kami soon. So ito po ang bahay na nabili niya. Okay. Yun. 1, 2, 3, go! Don't forget to subscribe House Hunter Moto. Kung gusto nyo
I always like it, right?
kung gusto nyo makita ang sarili sa YouTube, huwag kayong mag-alala ba, marami akong followers. Sige kayo. Ano masasabi mo, Doktor?
You're the best. You're the best.
Sabi mo, don't forget to click subscribe to House Hunter Moto. Sabi mo,
Don't forget to click or watch the House Hunter
subscribe
and subscribe to
Basag!
House Hunter Moto.
House Hunter Moto.
Ano lang?
Hoy, sabay-sabay kayong tatlo. Click subscribe, like, subscribe House Hunter Moto. Dali, sabihin nyo naman, promote nyo ako, dali. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe House Hunter Moto. Ikaw, Alan, sabi mo sa mga kabrad mong tao, gama, dali, sabi mo, mag-subscribe, dali.
Say it.
Sabi mo,
Ano?
don't forget to like, share, subscribe House Hunter Moto.
No, do it like that. Not too much.
Nahihiya mga ladies and gentlemen, nahihiya. Nahihiya mga ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, don't. Come on.
Ano?
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe House Hunter Moto.
Ayusin.
To all my Triskelion brothers, do not forget to subscribe and
Share,
share
like
and like
House Hunter Moto. House Hunter Moto.
House Hunter Moto.
Sige mga ladies and gentlemen, oh.
To all my Triskelion brothers, do not forget to subscribe, like,
Share.
and share House Hunter Moto.
Nakinig nyo yan, ha? That's an order, sabi ng inyong kabrad. Okay guys, uwi na muna ako. Tako'y magpapalit ng sasakyan. Ewan ko, mula dati kasi ganyan, may ganito na, hindi ko na kaya, ganyan na. Hindi ko kaya itaas eh. Ito, hindi ko kaya, oh. Bitin. Bitin. Ganyan lang. Ha? Okay, mga ka-housemates, pauwi na muna ako at I'm going to change sasakyan so I can do something other stuff. So yun mga ka-housemates, that's it. That's the end of my vlog, and I hope to see you on my next vlog. Kapit lang, walang bibitaw. Alright. At again, congratulations kay Andrew Kaisip na nanalo sa ating paraffle. And kapit lang kayo at kayo na ang next. Subaybay lang. Alright, just a refresher, I'm always gonna give clues on some of my videos. Not all of my videos have clues, so abangan nyo yung meron. And then magtatanong ako, I'm gonna same mechanics. I'm gonna put videos that you want to watch, that you need to watch to get the answer. And then after that, mag-a-announce ako kung anong tanong ko. And then siguro yung the way we answer is the same thing. just PM me the answer on my Facebook page. Yun ang gagawin natin. And Andrew, siya nga pala, nakipag-collaborate ako kay Paulo Busa. So bibigyan kita ng message mamaya na if you can just pick up your gift at Autobuy Market. Alright? So yun ang gagawin nating arrangement. Yung mga taga Metro Manila, kay Autobuy tayo. Yun ang ating magiging official supplier ng ating mga gift stuff. Alright? Pero kung taga malayo kayo na kailangan i-mail, siguro kayo Autobuy na rin, pero i-mail lang natin sa lugar nyo kung nasaan man kayo. Okay guys, see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, importante ang share, and then subscribe my channel. Alright, and hope to see you soon. Bye.